Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change the engine oil in your Toyota Yaris. First, gather your essential tools like a 14mm socket, a ratchet, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. You will also need about 4 quarts of fresh 5W30 engine oil and a new oil filter. Warm up your engine for about 10 minutes, then safely lift and secure your vehicle using a jack and jack stands. Now, place your drain pan directly under the engine's oil pan. Using your 14mm socket and ratchet, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be cautious, as the oil may be hot. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Your Yaris holds approximately 3.9 quarts of oil, so ensure your drain pan has sufficient capacity. Once the oil has drained, locate and remove the old oil filter. It might be hand-tight or require an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Then, screw on the new oil filter by hand until it is snug and give it about 3/4 of a turn more for a secure fit. With the new oil filter in place, reinstall the drain plug with a fresh crush washer, tightening it to 28 foot-pounds. Now, using a funnel, add about 3.9 quarts of fresh 5W30 engine oil through the filler cap. Start the engine for a minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's between the full marks. Dispose of the old oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.